Hey guys, Tom here from Digismoothie, and in this video I will show you how you can add cash on delivery payment method to your Shopify store without using any paid applications. If you are selling to some of the European countries or India, your customers may require cash on delivery, which basically works in a way that the customer pays for the order during the shipment, not before. And the thing is, the cash on delivery is usually charged with an extra fee. And on Shopify, it's very complicated to charge this extra fee inside the checkout unless you are on Shopify Plus. And in this video, I will show you how you can do it using a Shopify Flow and custom payment methods, and it won't cost you any extra money. I'm now inside our checkout, and this is how it looks. So you can see that we have a couple of payments like credit cards, bank transfer, and cash on delivery. And when customer selects the cash on delivery, we actually explain here, there is a surcharge 49 crowns. And now I will show you what you need to do exactly the same thing. As first, you need to go to settings, payments, and to section called manual payment methods. You will click on plus to create a new one. We have already this one here. And you can also edit the additional details, which are basically the details that are shown here. So we typically say there that the cash on delivery is charged with XY extra. Once you do that, the payment method is ready. As a next thing, you need to create a virtual product for the surcharge. So ours is called, again, payment on delivery or cash on delivery. You can call it whatever. I also recommend uploading some simple icon that will illustrate a cash or payment on delivery. And that's basically it. You just create the product, put the title, some simple icon, and you will put the price. The price here is basically the surcharge you want to add to the order total. Now, when you have the payment method and the extra product ready, you will go to Shopify Flow, and you can either create the workflow by explaining what you need to do to Sidekick, which I already explained in one of my videos, which I add to the description. Or you can create the flow manually, which I actually recommend because it's really simple. So the flow will start with the trigger order created, and the condition will be if payment gateway name includes COD. So the COD, if you remember, we call it the manual payment method. So whatever you call your manual payment method for cash on delivery, it should be placed here. And then if this condition is true, you will add order line item and you will select the custom product we created. And that's it. You can also add here an optional note so you can see why the product was added. And then you just turn on the workflow and that's it. So let's see how it works in real time. I'm now in our checkout and I will quickly finish it. Okay, my order is confirmed. The only thing you need to remember is that the order total is updated post-order. So here I see 382 and here's the order confirmation email I just got. And as you can see, the payment for cash on delivery is already here. So the product is actually added there before customer receives the order confirmation email. So here the total is correct. And this is how the order looks inside your Shopify admin. So there is a standard product and there is also a shipping not required product, which is the cash on delivery fee. And you can see here on the order timeline that the flow worked correctly and the payment on delivery was added to this order. So the only thing which is not like 100% is that the order total is updated post-purchase, not immediately inside the checkout. But we never had any issues with that because the customers anyway pays for the order during the shipment. And in the email, the order total is correct. Okay, I hope this was helpful. If you have any comments or need help with the setup, please let us know in the comments. And if you'd like to stay on top of Shopify, please subscribe to our channel.